with the Bel Air. It's been starting a little difficult cold, so I've been driving it just to try and get it, see if that'll get it starting easier. Cold, it runs perfect otherwise, starts touch of the key warm, but cold it's a little bit more cantankerous. And this is Saturday night, July 31st, so the cruising's going pretty good right now. They're still having construction on 75, so we got a lot of I-75 traffic detoured here. Ooh, I like that. I'll video until it gets dark. You can see cars in the other direction if you have a big enough screen. Pretty crazy around here right now. A little bit of everything out tonight. Eventually the cars that you see coming from the northbound direction will be coming down here southbound. I did bring a camera zoom, but the best it does is 720, so those of you who want the 1080, that's why I'm just using my GoPro. The other camera though, I could zoom in on the other direction, but favorite T-buckets. I got a few cars parked down the end of the lot here I'm in. See that little tiny one? It's way up there now. Nice 61 Chevy. Right now I think there's more classics parked on you know, like I am right now, than on the road. There is a 61 right there, and quite a few neat old cars that I like out. And there is a light down there, so you can see the green on the northbound direction. So yeah, that's why we get breaks in the traffic. That car's out almost every night, that station wagon. What have we got here? Both Packards are beautiful. That Cadillac there, by the way, has New Jersey license plates on it. There's that 54 Chevy pickup. Look at that. So they did not drive the car from California. The family that they're right there going to get some ice cream. They this car's been in their family since it was brand new. It was his grandmother's car. And yeah, Nice clean Survivor. Did I also mention that that's his first car and he's had it since he was 16 years old? Yeah, I've had this since I was 17 and this was my first car. So here we go, two first cars kind of next to one another. Well, they were racing. They're off that light down there. There we go. Haven't seen one of those yet. The police might have busted somebody way down there for maybe racing or something. I don't know. They've been down there for a while and some cars really weren't ripping northbound there. My understanding is you get busted for racing, your car's impounded and towed. Big old plumber. I missed it, but a Yugo went by just not too long ago. Yeah, it's getting dark, so I don't know how much more I'm going to be able to video. I think most of the classic cruisers have parked by now. It's mostly the younger ones in their go-fast mobiles. Well, maybe get the Chevy and do one lap, give it a little run. Yeah, it's just nuts out tonight. Yeah, all the everyone's parked. I think that's why there isn't as many on the road. Well, we're south of 13 Mile. I'm just going to head home, but we're moving along. It's pretty slow back there though. I did have the Galaxie out earlier today. I did a bunch of running around in it today, but like I say, I think the Bel Air just needs to be started and driven a little more often. And guess I could have pulled it in the garage a little further, but if the door closes, that's all it's good. But anyway, I'm gonna throw this video up. If you like it, hit the like button. If you like my channel, hit that 348 engine icon. That engine's in this car. And subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my videos.